So you can see number 5 is all the way in the back. He's got such a big belly, he doesn't really care about coming back now. But it's nice to see the five brothers together. But unfortunately, we missed those other 2 males that were here. Like I said, the Voco male and the Black Dam male, they were here as well. And one of the other guys said, looks like they didn't really have a fight with these boys, but these 5 allowed them to come and eat. And they might have been a bit afraid of those 2 because they're quite big, those 2 boys. But unfortunately, we missed them. They went into the other property again. So I think these 5 Monwanas are going to finish up here and then hopefully head deeper back into our area again as well.
Hij heeft niet alleen die tuberculose aan zijn elleboog, aan zijn voorpoot. Ja, dat is een ander.
Yeah, you can see it's a lot to do with the genetics. I mean, they've got the same father, you know, the Mapoza male, but different mothers. I mean, they're a couple of months difference between them all. But yeah, some of them are going to be beautiful males when they grow up. You know, their father was a very big male, very beautiful male. So you can see he also had this bit of a red, you know, mane, a little bit of black on the bottom. And a lot of them are getting that. You can see they're more of a reddish mane and then the black.
Ja. Ja, kijk, daar is degene met de elleboog.
Yeah.
The other one also has to be
Yeah. So unfortunately, because they are, you know, very proficient, you know, hunters in buffalo, they do get the bovine tuberculosis, the TB from them, and you know that is a sign that they've got the TB, is that swelling of the joint by the elbows. There comes a big yawn. Yeah. And then a lot of vultures and hyenas just all waiting for their turn. But they're gonna have to wait a bit. But these males will probably move off a bit later this morning. There's almost nothing left of this buffalo. Like I said, these 5, we found them on a buffalo on Saturday morning. They finished it, I think it was Saturday night. They were finished with a buffalo, and then they took down another buffalo Sunday morning. So
tomorrow morning.
So yeah.
The next one.
Well, the
buffalo herd is coming.
The buffalo herd is coming back into our area again, and it's not too far from where they are at the moment. Yeah. So they might hear them a bit later, and then they'll probably go and follow them again, maybe tonight or so tomorrow. So there's a chance we might find them on another buffalo carcass in the next couple of days again.